Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nancy, and today we're going to look at some sports ribbon, gymnastics, dance, ballet. What else do I have over here? Cheer. So we're going to start off with this ballet ribbon. It's a pretty pink trim ribbon, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different scenes before the pattern starts to repeat itself again. Isn't that pretty? For all you dancers out there. Now this is available in a 7/8, and you can find the link below. And when you go there and you get any of my ribbon, you will be getting 3 yards. The price is for 3 yards of ribbon. Okay? Alright, let's do this cheer ribbon here. Isn't this cute? The little gals. Gals doing their cheer with the little cheetah trim around the pattern. That's really cute. And this is available in a 1-inch. That gray, that cheer with their little pom-poms. Isn't that cute? Now we've got some gymnastics ribbon here. This is a 1-inch pattern, and it just says all kinds of things inside here. Gymnastics, mount, ribbon, stick it, balance, vault. It's got all kinds of little goodies inside there. And this is a 1-inch pattern. Now I've got this accent ribbon. I just love this accent ribbon. And I have a pattern that's going to go really good with this. Let me get this down from here. This love ribbon. Look at that. Love gymnastics. What girl doesn't love gymnastics, right? And this ribbon here would just go super cute with that as an accent. And I have this available in a 1-inch and a 5/8. Okay? And the love ribbon, this is a 1-inch. And the accent ribbon is a 1-inch and a 5/8. Okay, let me get that out of the way. Here's the 5/8. Let me show you that. It's the same exact pattern, just in it, you know. And the smaller the print, it didn't make any difference, and the color is still just so bright. Beautiful pattern. All right, how about some dance? Look at this gal with her curly hair. My granddaughter would love that. She's got curly hair just like that. Just like that. Is that not cute? And her big old smile. She's got yellow curls with a pink, well, she's got pink little hair bows in there with the black background. And this is available in a 1-inch. All right, how about some ballet? Ballet. Let's see. We've got our little, what is that called? A foo-foo dress. I don't know what they call those things. Tutu. A tutu. That's right. And there's her little crown and her hair bows. There's another crown. And there's her shoes, her ballet slippers. Just real cute. And this is cute how it's up on the stand. It's just a continuous pattern. And this is available in a 1-inch. Super cute ribbon there. All right. How about some cheer? How about some cheer ribbon? Because those colors are so bright. Super bright colors. That blue and that pink and that neon yellow. So cute. And here you got the girls cheering here and here, and a big cheer. And this is available in a 1-inch. And I've got these gymnastic ones here. Now I have these in the pink and the yellow, or not yellow, I'm sorry, the pink, the black, the red, and the blue. And these are all 1-inch. All these patterns are 1-inch. You can find those in the store. All 1-inch. Let me show you. I'm going to show you the what the pattern looks like. It's the same on all of them. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different patterns before it starts to repeat itself. Very pretty. What gymnastics gal wouldn't want that, right? Okay, let's see. How about, let's go with the ballerina. I love ballet. Hello Kitty. Isn't she cute? She's got on her little tutu. And she's got her little ballet slippers are right in there for the L's. It says, I love ballet. And this is available in a 1-inch pattern. Okay, we've got another gymnastics pattern. Now I have this in this pink, but I also have it in white, but I'm almost out. So I do have more ordered, but this is all I have in the white right now. So you've got the pink and the white, and they're both available in a 1-inch. That would even look cute just like that. Put those two together. All right, 1-inch. And if you subscribe and you hit the notification button, then when I do new uploads, you'll know every time. It'll inform you. Be up to date on that. All right, so we got some more cheer ribbon. This is really cute. Really cute. And this is just a repeat pattern. But the yellows and the blues and the pinks, they're just so bright. And this is 1-inch. If I didn't say that, it's a 1-inch. Last of our ribbon. Last of our ribbon today. Another gymnastics. I love gymnastics. And this is a 1-inch pattern. And it just repeats itself. 1-inch. Okay. Then I got a couple more things I wanted to show you. This is one of the bows I made using, oh goodness, what I showed you earlier, using this ribbon here with this. So these two ribbons, and I made this hair bow. Is that not cute? Now I make these bottle caps, like I've said before, I make the bottle caps. If you're interested in them, they're in my shop, just look under the bottle caps category. And this is how they come. They will come, like I said before, you could pick different colors. You don't have to have the pink that's in here. You can have the purple. You can have blue. It goes that way. Blue. There's red. There's like I said, there's like 10 different colors. Or you can get them in rhinestone. In a rhinestone color. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all those the rhinestones. How shiny that is. Now, they all come packaged individually. When you pick your print, you're going to get 3 of that print that you picked. You pick the backing. You pick if you want a rhinestone backing or if you want a bottle cap backing. Okay? And as you can see, they're flat on the back. Easy to attach right onto the ribbons. And they come 3 to a package. Okay, everybody, that's it for me today. It was nice seeing you, and please do me a favor and subscribe. Hit that bell button below, and y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.